Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
November 23, 10:57 America New York, Glass Onion, and Matilda test Netflix's approach to theatrical releases. The company agreed to some exclusive theatrical distribution for Glass Onion and Matilda the Musical, but it's not clear exhibitors will get much more.
New York Times Business.
November 23, 10:24 America New York. Manchester United owners consider sale of Storied club. The Glazer family has hired advisors to weigh its options for the multi-billion-dollar soccer club, which it has owned since 2005. Fans call for a change in ownership of Manchester United during a match in September.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 23, 10:05 America New York. How crypto's collapse may have done the economy a favor. Most creditors listed in bankruptcy filings of crypto platforms Voyage Digital Holdings, Celsius Network and FTX Trading are customers or crypto-related companies, and not banks, highlighting the closed-loop nature of cryptocurrency.
Daily FX Market News.
November 23, 10 o'clock America New York. GBP, USD, GBP, JPY rally to resistance. Can bulls force the breakout? The British pound has shown strength so far this week and both GBP, USD and GBP, JPY sit below key resistance levels with the possibility of breakout.
Daily FX Market News.
November 23, 9 o'clock America New York, the Federal Reserve Bank, a Forex Trader's Guide. Learn about the U.S. Central Bank, its key mandates, and how to trade Fed interest rate decisions.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 23, 8:53 America New York, jobless claims rise but remain near pre-pandemic lows. Filings for unemployment benefits, a proxy for layoffs, increased by 17,000 last week but stayed relatively low, as the labor market remains strong and many laid-off workers are landing new jobs quickly.
New York Times Business.
November 23, 8:41 America New York, U.S. blocks Dominican Republic sugar imports, citing forced labor. An import ban targets sugar from Central Romana Corporation, a sugar behemoth whose sugar is sold under the Domino, Florida Crystals and C&Amp H brands. Sugarcane at a plantation near Santa Cruz del Ceibo, in eastern Dominican Republic, in 2017.
Daily FX Market News.
November 23, 8:30 America New York. Gold's upside potential appears limited below $1,750, FOMC minutes next. Spot gold's decline has been halted by a significant support area as it consolidates ahead of a batch of U.S. data. Will it get the dose of volatility needed for its next move? Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 23, 8:25 America New York. Biden officials to target non-banks for tougher oversight. The move from the Financial Stability Oversight Council would likely ease or repeal Trump-era restrictions that sought to limit the regulation of non-banks, according to people familiar with the process.
BBC News Business.
November 23, 8:17 America New York, Waitrose changes Christmas advert after complaints. The supermarket's advert had been criticized by skin cancer patients who said it glorified suntans.
BBC News Business.
November 23, 8:13 America New York, Royal Mail Christmas postal strike to go ahead after talks fail. Royal Mail staff will take action over the Black Friday weekend and in the run-up to Christmas.
Marginal Revolution.
November 23, 7:25 America New York, AI conquers diplomacy. Diplomacy is a 7-player game in which players must persuade, cajole, coordinate, strategize, bluff and lie to one another in order to take over the world. For the first time, an AI has achieved success in diplomacy.
BBC News Business.
November 23, 6:42 America New York, 5-year mortgage rates back below 6%. The average 5-year fixed mortgage rate fell below 6% this week for first time since October.
Global Economy. November 23, 6:15 America New York, Eurozone business activity contracts for 5th consecutive month. Purchasing Managers Index shows signs of improvement in supply chain delays and confidence. Global Economy.
November 23, 3:42 America New York, European business confidence hits rock bottom. Corporate U.S. also gloomy about region's prospects, according to key survey by industry body and U.S. think tank.
Global Economy, November 23, 3:10 America New York, New Zealand Institute's record rate increase to tame inflation. Central bank takes ultra-hawkish stance as analysts warn country is canary in the coal mine.
Day Trade Review, November 23, 1:22 America New York, TIKR Review, is this stock research platform a top pick? Considering using TIKR as your new stock research platform? Before you dive in, read our in-depth TIKR review. The post-TIKR review, is this stock research platform a top pick? Appeared first on Day Trade Review. Marginal Revolution,
November 23, 1:12 America New York, Best Nonfiction Books of 2022. Behind the links are sometimes but not always my longer reviews. Here goes. Marcus Friedrich, The Jesuits, A History. Barbara Blomink, Florini Stethheimer, A Biography.